Hey guys, it's Camellia, and I know it's been a while, but I wanted to share with you guys this awesome hairstyle where you can create bangs without cutting or adding hair. So it's super simple and easy, and if you want to get this hairstyle look, then please keep watching. Alright, so if you're like me and you're too scared to get bangs, then you can definitely try out this hairstyle. And it's super easy to create. I mean, it's so crazy how simple it is. So basically what you want to do is you want to make sure you brush out all the knots and tangles out of your hair, and then you want to split your hair into two sections. So the top section is going to be a really high ponytail. You want to make sure it's a high ponytail or else this look will not work. And here I'm just using my phone as a mirror to make sure the back side of my hair is straight. And so I just put that section into a high ponytail, and then I put the top section of hair aside and I'm working on the bottom section now. So I'm going to create a braid. Now this section of your hair is going to be the most important part because these are going to be your fake bangs. And you want to leave some hair at the end of your braid because that's essentially what's going to be your bangs. So in a second, I'm going to show where you're going to take this braid and how you're going to turn it into bangs. But for now, you're probably going to want to expand your braid into a thicker braid because especially if your hair is longer than mine, it's going to make more sense to come around and, you know, create the bang. It's hard to explain, but if you just keep watching, it'll make sense. Sorry, you guys, I'm the worst at explaining things. But anyways, you're going to want to loosen your ponytail just a bit because we're going to poke a hole right under the hairband. Now this is where we're going to take our braid. We're going to take our braid all the way back from our head and poke it through that hole, and that's how you're going to create the bangs. Now you kind of understand why I talked about expanding the braid and kind of making it thicker, because you see how the bangs fall perfectly over my forehead. I mean, it's not too long, it's not too short. So if you're trying out this hairstyle and you're saying that your bangs are way too long, like it's going all the way past your nose, then you probably need to loosen your braid and really expand it. So I just spend some time positioning my bangs to make it look more natural. I also pull on the strands to make them look longer, especially on the sides, because you really want this to frame your face, and it just looks more like bangs if you do that. I then use my mini straightener to just make my bangs look more curled at the end. I know I say I don't use heat, but in specific occasions and for some hairstyles, I will make the exception, especially because straightening the fake bangs make them look a lot more real and natural. After I am happy with how my bangs look, I'm just going to secure them with a bobby pin. I also think it's really important to oil your fake bangs because real bangs are always so fresh looking and shiny, and since these are going to be the ends of our hair, usually the ends of our hair are really dry, and so we want this part to look really hydrated and glossy. I'm then going to use a comb to tease my ponytail to make it appear thicker. And then I use hairspray to lock everything in place. And that, guys, is the finished look. I mean, it's super easy and simple to create. I really like how this hairstyle creates such a nice and cute look in the back, and then the bangs look really natural and real. And I mean, like, you can really move around with this hairstyle. You can even turn your ponytail into a bun or even turn that ponytail into another braid. So yeah, that's basically the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. If you guys try out this hairstyle for yourselves, then please send me a photo through my Instagram page. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, especially if you want to see more hair tutorials like this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.